Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to use Google Sheets on your phone if you're new to the app, or if you use Google Excel before, or the Microsoft Excel before, and now you're planning to jump into Google Sheets because it is a lot more easier. I'm going to teach you right now how to use Google Sheets on your phone. So at first, you must have your Google Sheets downloaded, and here you can see I've just logged in into my account. So at first you must log in into the account that you want to use Google Sheets from, and if you're new you can create one of the sheets, or you can even jump into one of the sheets that you have already created or someone has invited you into. So I'm gonna go and create my new one. You can choose a template or create a new spreadsheet. I'm creating a new spreadsheet, and this is your spreadsheet is blank because you haven't added anything yet. So this is the column and this is the row. So at the column we can add any topics that you like, login giants, number, and here you'll add the information. You can see here, you can drag this down, you can select how much that you like, and after you select it, if you want it center aligned, you keep it here. You can even center align it here are the formula section. You can see, if you know the formulas, you can use it from here, and you can even add a row by clicking just this, or you can add a column by clicking this. So you can see here what I've done is I've added a row and a column, and you can even fill the paint by clicking on here. You click on this, you click on any color that you like, and it will be set. You can even change the font. I'm putting it orange, so anything you'd like, you click on this and it will be cut off. So this is the basics. You can select everything, or you can even add one more sheet in the same sheet. You can choose between them. You can even rename this via your app or the website. It is a lot easier to use on your website or the PC, and I've already taught you guys how to use Google Sheets on your PC, so do check out that video as well. And this is how you use Google Sheets on your phone. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.